Hey, welcome back. This is Tom in the Tom Radio's room. And my good friend Thomas sent me a link to this new book that just came out on Amazon. It is the Global Radio Guide. This is the one for summer of 2023, which is coming right up. And it's by Gail Van Horn. Her and her husband, Larry Van Horn, have been doing these books on shortwave radio for years, and they're a great reference. They're really a nice reference. And if you're a member of the Kindle Unlimited Club, I'll call it, you can read it for free. Or if you want to buy it, it's only $8.99 to buy it. And if we come down here, it's over 1,000 pages. Oh my gosh. And it was published May 2nd. So this is brand new information. I was a little confused because a lot of the books on Kindle Unlimited, you can look at a brief intro to the book. And it used to be a little flag up here above the book, and it said read inside or look inside or something like that. And it wasn't there, and I thought, oh gosh, I can't show my audience examples from the book. Well, turns out it's down here now. Everything, all these companies keep changing things. Anyway, so I click on this. What you can do, you can get a sample of the book. Here's the preface. Tells you about how they do this. And then some general information about shortwave being affected by solar cycles. And then here's to answer the question, are HF bands really dead? Points out no. And it goes, it's just a plethora, wow, where did I dig up that word, of information. 1,000 pages. Tells you about the various bands and what to expect on them. Lots of information just in this little intro that you can read for free on Amazon. There's a breakdown of each of the bands and what they're used for. This is a great reference book. And if you think shortwave is dead, this will change your mind. Not dead. It's a lot less than it used to be, but there's still plenty out there. And with the things that are going on in the world, it's being used more and more nowadays. So check it out. Get yourself one of these. Let me close this down. You can use my link to my Amazon store. I'm going to put this right now in my Amazon store. Use my link, which is in the description below each of my videos. You can go there. You can see it. You can buy it. No extra charges, nothing. You're dealing with Amazon, directly with Amazon. And I get a small commission. I think I make like 24 cents on each of these books. But if you buy something else while you're there, like say a new computer for, oh my gosh, yeah, that would be great. I would get a commission on that. And I use those commissions, all the commissions from my Amazon store to buy more things to review, to show on my show. And I want to thank you for your support. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.